Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be checking out a 2016 lifted Jeep Rubicon. I'm super excited. This is going to be awesome. We're going to be hitting some rocks, going over the build, and I think I hear him pulling in right now. So let's go show you this. You're going to want to see this. And there it is, guys. Michael?
Hello, I'm Michael.
Hey, welcome to the channel, my friend. What do you got here? This is a 2016 Rubicon, right?
2016 Rubicon.
Wow.
So it is my minivan. So it's the family fun toy that's also my daily. So
wow.
39-inch tires, 3.5 inches of lift, leaded fenders, 6-speed manual, which I was kind of adamant about the manual transmission.
Oh yeah, you do a lot of this though, right? I would take it you do.
We do a lot of this. So we go all over the southeast, and then part of our group actually goes out west towards Moab. It's a lot of fun. It's a money pit. It's a very bad financial investment.
Ah, well, you know.
So on the front here, custom front end, everything's heavy duty. Under the front end, it's got hydraulic assist steering, 12,000 pound winch.
Wow.
Steel bumpers front and rear, and you could tell it's been beat on.
Well, it just means you're having some fun with it, right?
Dang, always.
That's killer. Yeah, it's a little out of my wheelhouse as I'm normally with the Mustang stuff or the car stuff, but this is really killer, man. This is awesome.
So she's, I would say she's about halfway flexed out for the axle articulation that it's capable of.
Sure.
The suspension's by Rock Crawler. It's a lot of fun. Fox 2.0 reservoir shocks.
I see the shocks in there, right there. Fox proudly.
Yeah.
Listed on the side. That's pretty nuts, man. Look at this.
Pro Comp wheels. Like I said, 39-inch BFG KM3 tires. Performance-wise, we've got a 3-inch catback AFE exhaust system.
Okay.
Nothing really under the hood. In the rear, we kind of stuck with the same theme: Crawler Concepts front bumper, Crawler Concepts rear bumper, and then also to support the weight of the larger tire, we've got the Crawler Concepts swing arm. Wow. So the license plate's been relocated to the center of the wheel. And then where the license plate used to be, there is now a beer bottle opener.
That's what you need, man. Just in case, right? Yeah. Very cool. Wow. And look at that. I just want to show this too on this side, how flexed out it is. I mean, you have a little bit more, I suppose you could go, but guys, look at that. That is killer. I don't know. What do you think? Should we
we're gonna go have some fun.
Yeah.
We're definitely gonna go for a ride.
We're gonna go for a ride, have some fun in this thing. I can't wait to show you guys. Let's do it. All right, hold up. Before we hop in the Jeep, I want to explain where we are. I mentioned we're in the Dawsonville forest, but I left out one small fact: that it used to be a nuclear testing facility. Yeah, I'm serious. Nice. In the 1950s, construction on the facility begun and operated for quite a few years before being closed in 1971, when it was acquired by Atlanta to be turned into an airport, of all things. Due to its location, it was determined that an airport would not be ideal, and so the underground portion of the facility was buried and the rest of it was heavily enclosed. But the good news here is that there's still some structures left standing that we can explore. So I ask you, is this lifted Jeep Rubicon up to the task of exploring this old nuclear facility? Let's get in and find out.
We're actually coming up to the railroad trestle right now. So the railroad trestle, this is what's left of the railroad. This is the only bridge that's still drivable, that you could drive across, that's on the whole site.
Sure.
So this is this is Shoal Creek, the water that's under us right now. And if you look right here to our left, this is the pump station that pulled water from Shoal Creek to supply the location with their water needs.
Really? Wow. All right, we've hopped out of the Jeep for just 1 second here, and we're gonna go check on something kind of cool. So we're gonna follow Michael here. Going off the beaten path a little bit.
Yeah, so this is the pump station for the nuclear facility that's here.
Wow, look at this, man.
That's really cool.
That is nuts.
We'll go inside if you want.
Wow.
Stairs going down into the second level, and you can see where the water level is actually filled in the base.
Oh yeah.
But they
Just
would
put all the sediment in.
they had these tracks here, and they would raise and lower the arms to allow water in, and then it would pull it to the rest of the station.
Wow.
Here, I'll go inside with you.
Let's go inside.
Straight down. And there's a ladder going down to the next level, and then it goes even deeper.
That is crazy. Huh. Wow. So neat. I never even knew this was, and this is like 20 minutes from our house. So. Do you remember the year again that this was all kind of built? And
So its conception was in 1940s, and
1940s.
I believe at the beginning of the 1970s was whenever they cut funding, and they just told everyone to kind of pack up and go home.
Wow.
So
Let's cut the program.
This is actually known as Georgia's Area 51. It was that kind of crazy back.
That might be a good title for the video. I'm just kidding. Guys, if it wasn't clear here in the video, so we are riding over right now what used to be a nuclear test facility.
Yep.
And there's still some remnants of this, some buildings, concrete slabs, and the
size of this building.
and then we have a big building over here. The road closed ahead, but wow.
You want to go check it out?
Let's go check it out. Why not?
Okay. And what we have here to our left is the hot cell building. So this is where all of the irradiated material was stored.
Okay.
And the reason why this is the only building still standing is it's feet thick of concrete and rebar.
Wow.
So it would have costed way too much money to demolish this
Sure.
building.
It's just like literally a squared off building. Like no windows, no nothing. Very cool. Wow. There's stuff in your backyard, I tell you.
You never know.
Ooh, and a spider web right there. That's going in the video for sure. No.
So we're still currently on the railroad bed. And then there's a point up here where the railroad bed kind of turns off. And then we're going to keep going straight.
Okay.
We're actually going to ford through flat shoals, the water crossing.
Okay. That's
So,
going to be fun.
it's gonna
You're
be
going to
fun.
want to see that. I'm going to want to see that. Yeah, so you bought the truck, or the Jeep, in 2016.
Yep.
And you've done quite a bit since then, but
Yep,
you were
so-
telling, you had some future modifications in mind.
Yes.
What are those?
So I'm gonna get a set of newer style Super Duty axles, so Ford Super Duty truck axles. They are 73 inches wide from hub to hub, and considered a 1-ton axle swap. So we're gonna put some
Should
Super
be
Duty.
breaking anything then, huh?
Not gonna be breaking anything. So, and then of course, we're gonna do an LS swap. So
Of course.
we're gonna sacrifice my wife's Yukon Denali
Oh, there we go.
for the powertrain that's in it. So
The donor vehicle.
It's gonna be the donor vehicle. So
Wow.
we're gonna take what was originally a 70,000 MSRP vehicle, and it's gonna be the donor vehicle for
Wow.
the toy.
This just makes sense.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's just what we do.
awesome. That's awesome.
So yeah, it's gonna be a lot of fun.
There's gonna be a lot happening with
It's
this
gonna
thing
be
then, huh?
it's gonna be a lot of red light to red light, hoping I don't get a speeding ticket. So
Yeah.
kind of the reason why I've always been into building 4-wheel drives
Sure.
is because I knew I'm a speed demon, and I'm gonna have issues
One way
with, you know, trying to race, just that adrenaline
Oh,
of
yeah.
your vehicle pushing you into your seat.
100%.
It's just
You're gonna have all the torque you ever want, and
Yeah.
all the power you really need.
So-
That's pretty cool.
so we,
Wow.
we stick to rock crawling for now. So
Yeah.
yeah.
Well,
Yeah.
it seems like it's pretty capable for sure. All right, guys, we're about to hit this water crossing right now.
Shoal Creek.
Shoal Creek.
Mm-hmm.
Very cool. Wow, look at this, man. Megan, you ready back there? like it's absolute nothing.
Nothing.
Pulls right through. Like I was expecting it to be.
No four-wheel drive, just two-wheel drive.
Oh, just two-wheel drive.
It's a lot of
Man,
fun.
that's pretty killer. Now I want one. All right, well, that's gonna be a wrap on this week's video, guys. Thanks so much for watching, and thank you, Michael, for
well, I appreciate it too,
showing the
buddy.
Jeep off, man. That thing is absolutely incredible. I had a blast. So
Yeah.
I hope you guys enjoyed watching. If you did, make sure to hit the like button, make sure to subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. You guys have a good day.
Thank you, guys.
All right, take it easy.